up guys, it's Nick and today I am so excited to talk about one of my most favorite topics in the world, which is breakfast. I mean, who doesn't love breakfast? First of all, I get cranky in the morning if I don't put food in my mouth. Second, I just love food in general. And third, we all need a reason to get our butts out of our bed. And I don't know about you guys, but when I think about food, cooking my food, I'm like, yes, this is a reason why I'm alive and need to get out of bed. I'm so excited to share my ham and cheese omelette sandwich that I easily do at home under 10 to 15 minutes. If you are a busy gal and on the go but you always cannot compromise on breakfast, then this is the video for you. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that red button right now, and click that notification bell so you won't miss out on my next video, which is usually about surviving this adult life. So yeah, that's it, and let's get on to the video. Let's start with ingredients. So we have wheat bread, low-fat milk if you want to be pa-healthy like me, chicken spread instead of mayonnaise because for some reason it just tastes a lot better, iodized salt, sweet ham, and I specifically recommend this one from CDO, it's the best, mozzarella cheese, and just one egg if you're just one person. Pushing that aside for the actual preparation, all you need is a bowl, fork, and you crack that egg. Not to be mayabang or anything, but I apparently can do it with one hand. And then I eventually use two hands to actually like break it in. So does that count? You get that iodized salt. For me, I specifically prefer taking out the cap and putting the right amount on my hand. I like to add milk for a more creamy scrambled egg. Mix that all together. That's a good arm exercise in the morning also to get you going. And get another plate for your frozen ham since that's been in the freezer, and we will put that in the microwave to defrost it. And this is the fastest way to get your frozen goods up and going for the actual cooking part. So while that's going on, I actually start heating up the pan already and put some cooking oil. And while that's heating up, I also start boiling water in my kettle for my tea. This is the Earl Grey black tea that I've been talking to you guys about. So I get that and put that in the cup so it's ready for later. And then I check if the pan is good to go, and that's usually when the cooking oil is more flexible. It's easy to move around all over the place. I can already throw in that egg mixture and you will hear that simmering sound, which just means that it's the ample time to get that cooked. And I get a cooking spatula to really push it upwards. So as much as possible, I don't just leave it in there. So I really move it around to make sure that every area, every bit of it is going to get cooked, and it'll have that creamy, runny, milky, liquidy texture that I love with my omelets. This mozzarella cheese is one of the best discoveries I've ever found in the supermarket, because if you are looking for that gooey cheese that will just melt right off inside that omelette, and I usually flip it. So proud of myself. I did that with one hand because I was holding the camera on the other hand, so sorry if it's a bit shaky. And then remember that ham that we had in the microwave for the frosting. So now after 5 minutes, it's perfect to be placed into the pan so that we can get that cooking as well. And the omelette is about done, and I just need to flip the ham on the other side to make sure that both sides are cooked. And while that's simmering on the pan, I usually put my wheat bread already in the toaster and also start putting boiling water onto my tea. So it's basically multitasking. I don't lose any single minute, so that by the time it's cooked, I am ready to eat. So we already got that toasted bread from the toaster, and this is where we use our chicken spread instead of mayonnaise because I really like the taste of this way more along with the ham and the cheese. It's just the perfect combination, I'm telling you. And my tea is also ready to go. I just have to put some milk and also a little bit of my favorite honey, which is basically my version of a milk tea in the morning, and say hello to my favorite breakfast that I make every morning before I head out to work. And I swear to you, this is way better than any other ham and cheese sandwich that I've ever eaten outside. So as you can see, that was quick, fast, easy, and you can also say healthy, you know, better than buying fast food from McDonald's. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on my next video. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!